Now finally, before concluding the session, let us have a small overview of presence of CAD in India. Now, as we can see here, since 2012 to 2018, the use of softwares in our industries have grown, and the Asia Pacific region has the highest potential to grow in terms of revenue, specifically related to the uses of CAD softwares. One of the important factors in this particular respect is outsourcing of the 3D modeling services by various multinational companies. That is, they are outsourcing their projects in our countries by assigning the projects to different service providers. In 2016, North America generated the maximum revenue in the global CAD market, and CATIA was the leader software in this particular respect. This is a prediction of how different modules coming in our softwares are going to see an increasing trend in the coming years. For example, 3D modeling in 2015 was up to 76% uses, but in the next coming years it is predicted to grow at a rate of 81% in manufacturing sector and in government sector 79%. Now, majority of the design softwares are being used in our country in manufacturing and automotive sector. So these two sectors are the very important places where these softwares can be found. Now, what prospects you have if you learn these softwares? You can be appointed as a trainee CAD engineer or a executive design as a fresher also. So here if we see a trend in the salary package, it grows with the adding experience. Now in these particular positions, there is a new position called as software developer. It is a very growing trend in our design industries that they require engineers who do not have only the knowledge of the software, but also they can work on the development part also. So for that, you must be aware of the uses of programming languages in order to do so. So in short, I would like to say that if you learn these skills, if you learn these softwares, then right from the entry level till your late career period, you will be seeing a growth in your career. So this is the right time to learn these softwares and these skills and make yourself industry ready. So thank you friends. Thank you for listening. And if you have any queries, any questions, then you can reach us out at cdscadnagpur.co.in, and here we have our contact numbers, so you can contact us also. Thank you.